Kristen Feavel.
And I'm Kyle Feavel.
And this is the Feavel project. This is a house that I inherited as my father passed away. Of course, we had the choice to sell the house or to renovate it. And, we knew the cost and we knew the work that had to be done, and we knew that it was going to be extensive work. So we really had to find the right person to work with and someone we really trusted with something that was so dear to our hearts. It's not just like we bought a home. This is a home that I have so many memories in. There were many things about the house we wanted to preserve, but we also wanted to make it new and reflect our style and our tastes, going forward. So we were able to do that. Some of the things that were important and really, I would say, key features as the house was built was, number one, it was a very open concept home, which was odd for the 1970s where everything was very compartmentalized. My father was in a wheelchair, and so it was accessibility was probably the key to them having such an open concept home. So we still wanted that, but we also wanted a lot of outdoor living. We liked to throw parties, so we wanted to have a lot of room to be able to entertain. So we were able to do that. We wanted to keep the beautiful tongue and groove ceiling that's the iconic look of it, and then kind of the fishbowl look of it where there's windows and you can see out at every direction. Actually, we ended up with more windows and more views at the end than we had in the beginning, so that's been fun. When we first met with the Gannage team, it was Mikhail and Denise, and they were wonderful to meet with. We were able to talk about the property, what we envisioned and what we wanted. And then they came back with some, I would say, good, better, best options. This would be in, different price ranges and different, scopes of project, and really let us choose which one fit better. And then all along the way, there were times we would go, what, can we change this? Can we make sure there's a bathroom that, sits adjacent to the pool so it can, also kind of work as a pool room? Can we take our extra bedroom and put some built-in desks so we have some workspace for the two of us? So really breathing some new life and some creative ways to use the space that it's never been used for before. So this is my main office, so I work out of my home mostly, and this has been really, really, really easy to make the transition to working here.
The Gannage team was very transparent. They let you know what was available, what they would do, what the price was, and they laid it all out. If there was any changes, they let you know that they would let you know the cost, and they would be very upfront, and we like that. We don't want any surprises, and really there were no surprises with the Gannage team. I like the fact that the Gannage team gets back to you right away. When you call them, you don't have to wait a week. They're not stringing you along. They get right back to you. They understand the importance of every question, big or small, and they're very good at that.
I really like the co-construct feature, the app that I have on my phone. You could see clear running your costs, you could see your choices, you could see changes that needed to be made. And so for me, that was a great reference. And with a project that took, a year and a half almost, you could forget what you chose, or you could forget certain things. So I was able to go back and re-look at things that I had chosen almost a year ago and make sure, I still like that, and that's still gonna match the vision of what we're gonna do, moving forward.
The functionality of this house and how it fits our needs was just really amazing, and I love all the different places to sit, and then I love the style that we came up with. It just feels good to be in here. He wanted this project to reflect what we wanted. So he didn't try and sell us something. He tried to give us something that we wanted and to make it just exceptionally important to us, so that when we sit out here in the morning and watch the sun come up, it's just a very special experience. And he really came through with that in this project. We redid the original door that was here. It was maybe seems like a small touch, but it's very important because it's still here and it looks amazing. That was a great option for us.
It's beyond my wildest dreams. I pictured what it could be, and I pictured what I wanted, and both of those things came true. And so we have now a blend of the past and the present, and this is our future. So we're going to be here till Jesus comes back, we're going to be in this house, and we're just so thrilled with it and thrilled with the work that they did, and would highly, highly recommend anybody to work with Gannage Construction and Design team. They've been exceptional from day one, and we are really living in my dream home, and it couldn't feel better. Thank you, Gannage Design and Construction.